In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI for translations. If you're trying to translate something, let me show you a smarter way of using Perplexity. It's going to be really straightforward. You just need to use it as a normal search. Let's say you're traveling and you need a basic phrase. You can simply type in something like this, and Perplexity will give you a clear, correct translation instantly. It will also give you a breakdown of what this exactly means. Now, instead of writing something simple, you can ask it for complex translations as well. So for this example, I've added in a birthday wish for a German friend. Once I type in this prompt and hit send, it will act as a local person, giving me the perfect phrase and explaining the tone as well. Similarly, you can use this for other things as well, such as work, emails, or just understanding the language in general. So by using Perplexity, you'll be able to translate anything into any language that you'd like. So that's going to be all for this video. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up.